So, before starting this video, I really want to share this incident with you. Well, it was just another regular day of my college, and when my teacher suddenly asked everyone to submit a PowerPoint presentation just by the next class, while each and every of my friends panicked and spent hours on the Microsoft PowerPoint presentation, I created mine in just 2 minutes using this tool. And wanna know the fun fact? It was all for free. And yes, I even got the full marks, and even teacher told me that you are the smartest guy. And yes, I really loved it. So here is how I did it with this application, Gamma AI. So the website link you will get in the description. This website is gamma.app. Okay, and simply you can access this website through my description. You will get the link. So at very first, sign in with your any of the Google account, and it's pretty simple. So let me sign it once. Yes, then I'm done, and then you will see the whole tutorial that how we can do it. So after sign in, first go to ChatGPT. Okay, and just tell him that on which topic you have to create an AI PPT prompt, right? So what we'll do is on the topic on which we have to create the PPT prompt, we'll tell ChatGPT to generate the perfect prompt for this website. We can feed it, and then we'll get a perfect tailored PowerPoint presentation which is absolutely professional. So as you can see, I have selected a random topic on top 5 AI tools that generate money online in 2025. So I'll show you how you can create PPT on this topic. Like, you can use this AI for free in any of your workflow, even though you want to create pitch deck, even if you want to create the business templates, anything. And you can see you get plenty of options here, like you can create presentation, web pages, documents, as well as socials, right? So let me show you for presentation first. It's pretty much simple. Just paste your prompt here, and after pasting, just click on edit prompt, and you get these kind of options here. Well, these are very much easy. Like, you can select the amount of text, the images, the image source which you wanna. And as we are looking for the presentation first, so after selecting the yes, you can see that you get plenty of templates here. So select any one of the template. Now I'll go with this darker one because I guess it's looking absolutely perfect. So after clicking on generate, you can see with how much precision and accuracy this creates the whole PowerPoint presentation in just seconds. Like, literally, I'm saying people spend hours on creating PowerPoint presentations, and that to look very much kind of boring thing. But this AI, you have seen that how much pretty easy he has created the whole PowerPoint presentation on the topic in just few minutes. Now the chat GPT wali thing is important, okay, because we need to feed a proper prompt. The more detailed your prompt is, the more better your PowerPoint presentation will be. Now you can see how much awesome he has created this PowerPoint presentation, like in just few minutes. And you get plenty of options here to edit it, right? If you want to add or edit or text, if you want to even add the or insert the video, you can do it from here. Now as you can see, the whole PowerPoint presentation is ready in just few minutes. Like, I really like this tool, right? So now if you want to export it, you get plenty of option here. Now let me show you. You can download it in the form of PDF form, okay? Now what the main problem here is, when you download, okay, when you download, you get this watermark here, as you can see, made with Gamma. So don't worry, I'll also show you that how you can remove the watermark from here, so that nobody will get that from where you have created this PowerPoint presentation, and it will look absolutely professional too. So for that, you have to go on the Canva website. So as you can see, just follow my steps and you are all good to go. So after coming on Canva, just you have to import your downloaded PDF here. As you can see, I am uploading in this section. Okay, so let my PDF upload here. So yes, my finally the PowerPoint presentation has been uploaded. So as you can see, I can directly delete that watermark from here, that too so easily. So let me do this for each and every slide. Just select and delete, select and delete. So this is this much easy step. And Literally, I am saying this AI tool has saved plenty of hours of the business professionals as well as the students to create their tailored PPTs in just few minutes so that they can invest in their time in another stuff. So as you can see, again we have created the whole PowerPoint presentation in just few minutes. So well, you get again plenty of options here. Now I'll show you how you can generate the web page, okay, the web based PowerPoint presentation. So the same thing I'm doing, I have pasted the same prompt on that topic here, and just what you have to do is just paste it here, select the presentation and click on next. Now pick any of the theme you wanna. You get plenty of themes here that is absolutely for free. So let me go with this again darker theme, because if I select the light one, it can cause problem to your eyes and strain. So for this video I am selecting the lighter theme. So as you can see, again he has started creating the best PPT at all. And according to my view, the best PPT is of web page instead of the presentation, because soon you will get to know it, and you can also see and compare that which PPT is best, rather than downloading it in the PDF form or converting it into a web page. This is absolutely a best one. So here we don't get the export option, here we get the publish option, as you can see. And even though if you wanna, you can add a button, you can add the functionality to it too, and you can also edit it according to your needs. So finally our site has been published, so I guess we shall check it once. But just see, look at this PPT, like how much professional it is looking. And we have done this in just few seconds, like literally even less than a minute it took. But just keep this thing in mind, the more detail your prompt is, the more awesome and best your PPT will be. So now let me click on this link again so that I can show you how our site looks like. And then here we go. After clicking on the view site, you can see with how much accuracy he has created the best web page like PowerPoint presentation here. But here just the thing is, I don't think so you can remove this watermark from here. It's a kind of their branding, but it's absolutely fine, no worries at all. So yes, again you get plenty of option here. Even though if you want to, you have a word document or PDF which you want to convert into a PPT or web page, you can even do that too. So let me show you this too, how you can do it. So as you can see, I have uploaded the same PDF which we have created currently, and we'll convert it into document format. Okay, now let's see how this AI works. Same thing, just select and then click on next and then click on generate, and let's see what does this build up. So even though this will also take less amount of time, so as you can see, this is a documentation. Yes, exactly, this is the documentation, and it is also looking absolutely professional. Like, hats off to this tool for saving plenty of hours of the students as well as the working professionals, so that they can invest their time in another things and make their workflow easier. It's absolutely perfect. So let this AI generate this. Till that time, we'll see. And it's also fun to see this how he's generating, right? Like, you can edit any stuff in this PowerPoint presentation, in this document, any stuff you want. Okay, like each and everything is just plug and play. It's absolutely simple. Now you get many of the options here. Just click on the present, and then yes, see, you don't get watermark here, I guess, but that's awesome. So now we have finally created the three things. First was the presentation, and now let's talk about the money angle. Okay, now if you go on a Fiverr and do freelancing, okay, you can see how people are earning money from this AI tool. By this, like, they are creating their business pitch decks, and they are selling it as a template for the startup ideas or the businesses, like, literally, and they are earning a huge amount of money. Now you might be thinking, if you can create the PPTs in just few minutes, why you will, why the people pay for you, right? But that's not the thing. The main problem is many of the people don't even know about this tool, and many of the people don't even tend to learn the AI tools. So if they have money, they literally hire the professionals to do their work. So as you can see on Upwork too, many people offer this service, like they create business presentations, right, college assignment ideas, webinar or YouTube deck designs, and even a deck creations. And yes, businesses pay a huge for that. Like this guy is charging $30 per hour, and this one $95 per hour and 100K plus earned. Like literally I was shocked by seeing this. Like people are earning this much with this skill. So if you wanna, you can give it a shot for this too. Well, this was the money making angle for this video. So if you like this, make sure you subscribe our channel, because I have plenty of the AI tools which can make your workflow easier. Till that time, meet you in the next video.